Welcome to the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Guys, I can't wait any longer. I need to get on MoveQuest. I was shown this when it was around $20, and I was just preoccupied with other stuff. I didn't, really dig in to see how the tokenomics work and all that. But after watching some videos, especially the one from the founder last night, I will put that at the end of my video. So I'm not going to try to convince you to buy MoveQuest. I'm just going to show you how. I'll let her do that because there's a lot of moving parts with this system, which is why it keeps going up, I think. So this is not the one on Solana. There's an MQT on Solana that's just a scam token. This is on Avalanche, and it ends with C810. Starts with 0xEF. I think that's a 0. Okay. So this is get fit mining. So what I'm going to do is get the link from my boy Cheyenne. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste. So my link will be down below in the video. It'll look like this. Okay. I'm connected. I'm going to be using Rabby Wallet, and I'm just starting with about 446 bucks of Avalanche. So I bought that on crypto.com, sent it to my Rabby. We're connected. This was Cheyenne's code, so I'm going to save that and sign it. Until you do that, I don't think it'll let you do anything. Okay, and then create activation code. I think you just paste your address in here and then hit save. Wait, your code should not be a wallet address? Okay. So I guess whatever you want your name to be, just save that there. All right, so it says, please mint your Linny miners and transfer them to the wallet you will use to mine MQT. Evolve and unlock the 7 mining dock slots in your mining wallet. So the first thing we have to do is buy some MQT because everything needs MQT. Okay, we're going to hit I understand. Okay, so I just realized this was paired to USDT. So I'm going to swap from AVAX to USDT. Confirm that and sign it. Okay, now we have USDT. So we can we can just actually grab the contract if we want. Swap that, approve and swap, sign it. While we're waiting for that, there is a website called Get Fit Mining Setup that has all the information that you need if you want more guidance on how this works. All right, swap a success. So now we have MQT. You could probably see it in our app. There it is, MQT. So now we're going to mint our first miner, Lenny. Press craft after the approved transaction is complete. So we're going to craft it. So obviously you'll need Avalanche in your wallet to do this. So you can see now it says minted. We've minted one of them. All right, we got some confetti here. Congratulations, your NFT miner has been minted. And then we can go to mint the next miner. I believe if I refresh, you'll see now I have that Lenny in my inventory. So I have bought my one Lenny, and this is the evolution process. So you can't just come in and necessarily buy the top one Omega that mines the most. I believe you have to get 2 Lennys, and then you're going to pay $30 in USDT to upgrade them to the primary. And then you'll need 2 primaries and $40 to come up to Ultra. So you kind of gamification. So we're going to buy one more Lenny. And now we'll craft it. Okay, so now we should have, once we refresh, now we have 2 Lennys. So now we're going to evolve and merge. So I'm going to need $30 of USDT. So I should have kept some. So let's see, I can just use Avalanche. We have some USDT. Let's approve NFT evolution. So if you wanted to just come in and get 6 Lennys, you could, but then you're paying MQT to unlock these docking stations. So once we do this, so basically my strategy is just getting start out. All right, so let's approve USDT. I do. Let me refresh. Okay, yep, just need to refresh. Approve that. So I believe it's approved now. You can see here, we're going to evolve from a Lenny to a primary. $30. Let's evolve. Okay, we got our confetti again. So let's see what we have. Okay, so now I have a primary. Okay, so you don't need 2. So the video I watched, he wasn't making it very clear. So you can see here, I think eventually at the end you'll need, I think, okay, that's what he meant. So basically I want to utilize this free position as much as possible. So I'm going to keep evolving to get it up here. That's what I want to do. So let's see, what would I want to do? So I think I just want to evolve my primary again. And that's going to be, so I need 40. So yeah, so just to save a little bit on fees, you could figure this out, how much you need. So you'll need, if you want to get to primary, you're looking at, what, 70, 130, 230. So you need $230 to get to the top. Well, And then you need to do that twice. So I'm just going to, I'm going to at least get to an alpha. So I'll need another $100. So I'm going to go ahead. I won't film it because you guys know how to do it. So I believe you'll need $230 to get here, $230 to get here. So $460 plus your original Lenny purchases, which was basically 50 each. So that'd be $560. So $560 gets you an Omega. And then you can have 7. That's about $3,920. And then when you put the docking fees in, it's in the low 4,000s. Gets you totally gets you 7 Omegas. So the max for one address you can essentially can spend is in the low 4,000s if you want to do that. You don't have to. So now that I have my dollars, I'll refresh this. And I'm going to go from primary to ultra now. It's an evolution fee of 40. I have 110, so I'm going to approve USDT again. So basically when you're getting started, you just want to utilize this free one. So I'm just going to get it as high as I can. And then I'll, need to bring more funds in. All right, and it just changed to an ultra. And then basically your mining power keeps going up. It starts at like 50%, then 70. I'll find that for you guys here in a minute. Okay, let's evolve. So now we have an ultra, and we're going to go to alpha. So that's going to be $60. So let's evolve or merge, approve USDT again. And now we'll evolve it. So now I'm up here where I have one alpha, right here. And in order to get to Omega, I'm going to need to do the same with my other Lenny. So that's why the merge fee is 200, because it's 100 from this one and 100 from that one. So I'm going to repeat this process. I'm going to put it in this Lenny and then get USDT to evolve it as well there. So I won't film that. I guess let me dock this one. So let's approve. And I'm assuming we'll click here. Maybe we click here. There it is. So we're going to add to dock the alpha. Okay, so it's no longer in my inventory. Should be here soon. Let's refresh. There we go. So now the alpha is in our mining dock. And it's open. So I have to pay MQT to unlock this one once I upgrade the other one as high as I can go. And then, so again, I'm not going into the details of this. I'll put a video down below that explains it all. But you're basically getting gamified or rewarded for your health, your steps that your phone's tracking for you. It works best if you do have a wearable like an Apple Watch or whatever Samsung has for Google phones, you get more data and then you make your money. So if you're gonna do this and buy, some miners, it makes sense to get an Apple Watch. I'm gonna go and buy one because of this. Um, so that's the basics, guys. Again, this was just a how-to. You're gonna want to watch a video to fully understand, how cool and this whole ecosystem is designed. So I would at least just buy a $50 miner and dock it at the very least. You can come in with more money later if you want to.